Do you know how WEG thinks about the future of the food and beverage segment today? By bringing efficiency and sustainability to the production lines to one of the largest industry sectors on the planet. Always aiming for high productivity and constant improvements in its processes to meet the growing demands of the global population. WEG offers high-tech, innovative, and efficient products to optimize the entire production chain in the most demanding markets. With a robust range of solutions that bring safety and reliability in the production of grains, beverages, dairy products, meats, baking, among others. This is how we drive the food industry, generating value and positively impacting this sector that brings food to the table of thousands of people every day. WEG, driving efficiency and sustainability.